afternoon. My name is Vidya Nur Eka Putri. I'm from 4H class. In this video, I would like to do my midterm test to do my speech, my public speaking. I would like to raise a topic about some things that we are faced every day. We are surrounded by it every day, especially in this digital era. Yes, it is a social media. As we know, kids today, we are today always using our phone, our social media every single day, every minute, whether it's for your work, for your study, even ordering food, or maybe even to entertain yourself, like such as scrolling video, short reels, short YouTube, and more. Maybe, I'm sorry, but somehow people are find it interesting. People are find it's really fun to spend your time on social media, like scrolling, playing games, and more. But we are often forget about our daily life, about what should we do besides scrolling your phone, your social media, because life is not always about social media. You have other responsibility, like a study, work, sleep well, eat well, and more. But often most of people nowadays are ignoring this. They are, what can I say, they are too busy, they are too distracted with social media. I am too, especially. But however, even social media has many features to entertain us, to entertain many people. It has many negative effect, and one of them is the main cause student less motivated in study. Okay, so why did I say that? Because there are a few reasons. The first one is distraction. I have to say that social media is very distraction. I think most of you agree with me. Why? Because an app like TikTok, YouTube Short, or Reels, or Instagram that provide many short videos, it's really too distracting for us. The moment because the moment we are start scrolling one video, we are not going to stop anytime soon until our battery is low. Even our battery is low, we are just keep scrolling social media while charging our phone. I have to say I also experienced that, because like what I said before, social media really very distracting. And also I have found a study from Rehan 20 and 25 and 25. The study shows that the student who spend too much time on social media often reach lower academic performance. Yeah, this means social media is really distracting. I feel it too. I got the lowest, not the lowest, I mean my grades are being lower because I am spending too much time on social media. And then the second reason is hard to focus. Why I have to say this? Because I believe that most of all is hard to focus when we are trying to study for midterm, for whether is for midterm tests or final tests, because again and again the main cause is the social media. We hard to focus because it was like we are losing our focus. I mean, like when we are study hard at when we are study at the night for tomorrow test, and then after study we are decide to scrolling our phone, our social media. It made us losing what we are already learned. I'm sorry, and it is really and maybe not all the focus is losing, but believe me, most of our focus is lost because we are spending too much time on social media. And the last one is less motivate in education. So this last reason is, I have to say, it's really related to me as a university student, because I have to say so. When I try to study, I keep distracting. I keep struggling to manage my time to study, to sleep well, to eat well. But it was like a big struggle for me. It is because social media is really distracting, and also, so the last thing I have to say is social media has both negative and positive impact. It depends on how we use it, how we control to use it every day. Also, we have to use it wisely, especially university student. We are, as a university student, we have many responsibilities to take. Social media is not only the thing we have to deal with. There are many things we have to deal with. So using social media it doesn't mean you are wrong. No, it's okay to use social media sometimes, but you, me, us, all of us, we need to use it wisely for ourselves, because the only one who can control ourselves is ourselves. So that's all I think that I can explain to you all, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I'm truly sorry if I had so many mistakes, whether it's from my grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, and more. Thank you so much for your attention, and see you next time.